SpongeBob SquarePants and his best friend Patrick Star always seemed to stumble upon the most extraordinary adventures in Bikini Bottom, but nothing could prepare them for what they found one sunny afternoon. While jellyfishing near Jellyfish Fields, they discovered a sparkling portal hidden behind a cluster of glowing seaweed. The portal shimmered with colors they had never seen before. Intrigued and as curious as ever, SpongeBob and Patrick stepped through. They found themselves in the ancient, forgotten city of Coral Cove, a once vibrant place, now shrouded in gloom. The usually chirpy coral inhabitants seemed downtrodden and despondent. It was as though the entire city had lost its sparkle. A wise old seahorse named Marina explained that the city was under a terrible curse that had stolen the residents' ability to feel and express kindness. To lift the curse, one must complete a series of challenges designed to spread joy and compassion throughout Coral Cove. SpongeBob, ever the optimist, volunteered without a second thought. The first challenge led SpongeBob to the Glimmer Grotto, where he had to make a grumpy old eel laugh. He tickled the eel with his best jokes and ended with his signature bubble dance. The eel, unable to hold back, burst into hearty laughter, and a small ray of light returned to Coral Cove. The next task was to help a family of starfish rebuild their home after it had been destroyed by a fierce underwater current. With Patrick's help, they collected materials and worked tirelessly until the home was restored. The grateful family felt a warmth in their hearts, contributing to Coral Cove's recovering glow. The final and most daunting challenge brought SpongeBob before the Coral Colossus, a magical sea creature who controlled the fate of Coral Cove. The creature imposed a kindness test involving an unusual obstacle course filled with troublesome sea creatures and tricky puzzles. SpongeBob navigated through with patience, sharing kind words and gestures with each creature he met. His unwavering dedication to kindness impressed even the stern Coral Colossus. With the final challenge completed, a brilliant light enveloped the city, lifting the curse. The residents of Coral Cove were once again capable of feeling and sharing kindness and joy. They celebrated their newfound happiness with SpongeBob and Patrick, who returned to Bikini Bottom knowing that their small acts of kindness had made a monumental difference. The moral was clear: kindness and compassion could brighten even the darkest situations.